Okay, everybody, here's a quick explanation for how to do composition in GarageBand, a very basic one, um, using song form. Okay, we've been studying A, B, A, and now we're going to do the longer song form. I like to just go this way and go click on More Sounds. Okay, and then it doesn't really matter what I choose because I'm going to just switch the tracks out anyway. The key here is that we're not using this live loops selection. Although that works, it's just a different visual setup. So we're going to be track editing. So I pick a drum beat. In fact, I'm not even going to use this, so I don't need to worry about it. I'm going to click this third button on the left at the top that looks like a bunch of tracks. And I'm just going to go to my loops library. Now, certainly you can have no genres selected, and then you'll have thousands of sounds, or you can filter it out by a genre. You know, today I'll pick one, hip-hop, R&B. And that just eliminates some of them and simplifies it. Each song that Apple has kind of pre-made for you has its own title. So here's Around the Block. There's a bunch of sounds called Around the Block, so that's one kind of song. They have some other kind of auxiliary things that you can do that are related but aren't the same, so you can certainly use other things, but the ones that are designed to go together have the same name. So for example, Diesel Power looks like it has enough for me. They even have them separated, so maybe some of this other stuff here fits together, but I'm just gonna settle on Diesel Power, okay? And I need to create my A section. So I know that Apple already has my back here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and not listen to these. So that's Diesel Power beat. I know that I want drums first. Now I need to find something that has bass. Looks like we got synth bass 1 here. Okay. Now I need some background sounds. So that's not going to be a beat on drums. It's not going to be bass like here, here, or here. It might be strings. It might be. I'm going to try chord layers because I know that chords are something we've studied. And then I need some sort of main melody. Oh, voice. That's what Vox means. Yeah, so I'll be using those for my main melody. Now, to add a B section, I simply click on Add, and I'm just going to work on that B section. I like to click on all sections and click out of there so that I can see both 1 through 8 and also 9 through 16, and I can zoom in if I need to. So I go back to loops. I'm on Diesel Power. I think it's pretty obvious I'm going to use Diesel Beat 2. Don't even need to hear it. Now I had used chord layers. I'm going to try key stabs. See what that sounds like. I definitely like that. Diesel Power background is taken care of. Now, sorry, that was bass. Oh, I skipped ahead to I'm actually going to use the same bass. I accidentally put them in the wrong spot, so I'm going to swap them out. Make sure they're in the right spot. And nothing got messed up here. There we go. I can remove stuff to make a little more space if I want to, but we'll talk more about that later. Back to my vocal leads. I'll use a different one here. So now that's A and that's B. I need to add another A, as we know, so I'm going to click on A and hit duplicate. So now I have A, B, A here. In order to work on C, which they're calling C is the third part, I think it's just going to go A, B, C, D, E. They really made a mistake there. They should call it, section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because a lot of times in music we use labels A, B, C, and D. Okay, so now I've got A, B, A. I'm actually going to duplicate B as well. So now I've got A, B, A, B. Okay. I actually need to add some more. So I'm just going to add another section. And on that, and this time I'm actually just going to focus on that one so it slides over for me. Go back to my loops, diesel power. Now it's the C part, so it needs to be a little bit different. This is a special, something special. So I don't have to include everything. Maybe I start with a percussion breakdown like this. I might do some other percussion stuff that comes in after. I might do something different. So this is actually not in the diesel power section, but it's still in the same grouping, you can see here. Kind of like that layer, so maybe I'll drop that in halfway through. And I'm even allowed to add other stuff. So I'm going to add another layer of drums. Let's see how that sounds. I don't know if I exactly like this drops of rain thing, so I might get rid of that. We'll see. But I can definitely make some changes. I'm going to switch back to all the sections. So now you can see A, B, C. What's left to do? Well, I need to hit the plus again because we need to go A, B, C, and then B again for the chorus, right? So I'm going to tap on B and hit duplicate. Okay, and that's song form right there. A, B, C, B. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is work on next an intro, okay, and an outro. So maybe I want to add 8 measures, and I can add 8 measures on the end, and I can work on that. Maybe I just want to fade out using one of my favorite parts of the bridge. So it's funny, I'm not going to necessarily use stuff from A or B. I might bring back, might be like fading this out or dropping this out. We'll get to some effects later, but maybe that'll be my ending. Maybe that's my ending, okay? So you can go ahead and move all this over and create some sort of build-up in the beginning as well. If you'd like to, do something ahead and create an intro. Otherwise, the song can just start right there, and then that's kind of our outro. So we have A, B, C, B, and then an ending. If you want to talk about it in terms of popular music, that would be a verse, a chorus, another verse, another chorus, and then a bridge, and then another chorus. Sometimes we do 2 choruses right there, and then an ending. So intro, verse, chorus, bridge, chorus, ending is kind of a standard. This is a little shorter version because I didn't have that extra chorus at the end, and I don't have an intro, but that's totally doable. Now I would screen record the whole thing and submit that in Schoology, and that's your song form assignment.